Ka Sorkar jela kadang pipnya bin pa bin ban pen urlong no ya ka jingtmu ban Pynkhreh no ya ka Secretariat New Shillong Township kumjuru ya ki weipat kitna trikam ka Sorkar jela ya ka ne la pentep do mentirang ba ka jela Meghalaya konrad ke sangma haka arpnyu trik rusa war hajar arpuar hadien ka jingwan jurep ya ka jaka ka bapalat arspa arpo ekar haka thai modeng diang na ka banta ka te ka jingtmu Yau menterang ba lasan ran lang do ba sneau bahalang dhar menteri Sorkar kajala uba DP walang Chief Secretary nolor ki weipat ki officer Sorkar. Menterang ba ula benrap ba ka Sorkar jala kan wat kalat ben penyeso e ka Shillong bat ka thai marjan leng ba ka surok thamai.
We have come here to visit in this Maujanjang area, this Maupat area and Maukasing area to see the possibility of shifting the entire Secretariat and government departments to this land. We have two options in front of us. One is in the Maupadang area, and one is in this area where we are right now. And we are examining the possibility of seeing which is going to be a better option for us and a better option for the people of the state, most importantly. And after coming here, we have seen that this area has been divided and given to different departments. So some rearrangement will have to be done. And we are able to rearrange and approximately get about 220 acres of land, which should be sufficient for Secretariat and other important offices, and also the different accommodations that need to be put up. And at the same time, the other offices and other administration can also go to the Maupadang area, which we had initially planned. So we could do it on both areas. So this examination is going on, and along with the Urban Affairs Minister, our Chief Secretary and other officials, we have come to see the possibility, and it looks like a very good option, because not only is the land sufficient, but it is also very much closer to Shillong city, and hence it will be easier for the public also. We have also looked at the possibility of connecting Shillong city and this new location through new roads, which it was a bit early to right now explain, because we're in the planning stage. But all these aspects are being reviewed, and we are positive, very positive, that the new Secretariat can come in this area. And we have, as I said, come here to examine that, and we find this to be a very, very appropriate location. But obviously there are a lot of areas and issues that we need to discuss. We need to obviously discuss it in the cabinet, and once all those formalities and discussions are over, a final decision should be taken in the next maybe couple of weeks. So we are very positive, and as I said, in order to take things forward, we thought that we should come and physically see the place and look at the entire map, and we are quite satisfied. So within the next couple of weeks, as I said, we should be able to take a final decision.
Hadian kani umitirang ba ulalidru sak banjurep ya ka Jingte ya ka Shillong International Center for Performing Arts and Culture hamau kasyang.
Yes, sir. Seats on both sides.
So you can have a play out in the middle.
Yes,
you can watch from here also, there also.
Cultural performance.
Yeah, cultural performance. Yeah, so double.